I'm Kevin Murphy, Vice President of Indoor Air Quality and Sustainability Initiatives for the Hunton Group, and thank you for tuning in. Our goal of this short video is to help you understand some of the options that Hunton has to offer you to help develop your ESSER funding plan and budgets as it pertains to improvements in your facilities' HVAC systems and indoor air quality, or IAQ. What are ESSER funds? The U.S. Congress has provided financial support for districts and schools through the Elementary and Secondary School Emergency Relief Fund to address the ongoing impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Texas received $1.3 billion in ESSER 1 funding, an additional $5.5 billion in ESSER 2 funding, and $12.4 billion in American Rescue Plan funds, also known as ESSER 3. At Hunton, we can help school leaders and administrators create a plan to submit to the TEA to utilize these funds to make facility improvements, safeguard learning environments, and help keep schools open and safe. With public concern about reopening schools, along with ever-evolving building standards and guidance, it has never been more important to address your school's IAQ. That's where Hunton can help. You can count on our technical expertise, tools, and insights to help ensure our IAQ offerings will be in line with new industry guidelines, and your HVAC systems will be working optimally and efficiently. So, what is good indoor air quality? It's one that is safe by being low in toxins, contaminants, and odors. Good air quality is achieved when spaces are well ventilated and protected from pollutants brought into the space. Some strategies used to create good indoor air quality include bringing in more outside air, maintaining appropriate exhaust air, maintaining minimum building pressure control, using higher efficiency filtration, the deployment of permanent or portable air cleaning technologies, and finally, improving the building envelope by replacing doors, windows, or roofs. Your ESSER plan should have 3 basic steps as it pertains to improving your facilities. First, develop a detailed assessment of your current facility state. Second, execute applicable mitigation strategies and technologies to improve your facilities as determined by the assessment. And finally, your plan should manage and sustain the improvements over the lifetime of the building. Speaking of the first step, the assessment. The Hunton IAQ assessment is a science-based, fact-driven analysis of your school's indoor air quality. Effective IAQ solutions are not one-size-fits-all. Hunton can visit and survey your school to provide recommendations specific to each school's unique system and uses. Recommendations for improvement must begin with a scientific baseline assessment of current state of your indoor air quality. Using specific data about your individual facilities, our Hunton IAQ assessment team will help you, first, understand and include current industry guidelines and recommendations, second, identify opportunities for improvements, and third, collaborate to analyze, budget, and prioritize the improvements. So, now that we've discussed the assessment phase, it's time to move on to the mitigation phase. The mitigation phase is based on the 4 ASHRAE pillars defined for improving indoor air quality through your HVAC system, and they are dilute, exhaust, contain, and clean. The first pillar, dilute. Simply put, increase building outside air ventilation to dilute indoor air. The second pillar, exhaust. Confirm the exhaust system is functional and maintaining positive building pressure to prevent moisture and contaminant infiltration. The third pillar is containment. Maintain proper space temperature and relative humidity control to minimize the spread of pathogens. And finally, the last pillar, the cleaning pillar. Improve mechanical filtration by increasing current filter MERV ratings or deploying air cleaning technologies, either permanent or portable. Now that we've summarized the 4 ASHRAE pillars for improving indoor air quality, I'd like to briefly mention some mitigation strategies and technologies that could be applied to your building. The first, recommissioning or rebalancing your current building airside and waterside systems, and the subsequent installation of the Texas A&M continuous commissioning program to maintain peak performance and avoid eventual system drift. Or a building automation system upgrade to improve your outside air, exhaust air, and building pressurization systems to maximize the amount of fresh air while maintaining building positively pressurized to prevent moisture and contaminant infiltration. The BAS upgrade may also include the installation of new wired or wireless temperature and humidity sensors to monitor and report that your indoor air is being maintained within the ASHRAE recommended parameters to contain the spread of pathogens. Other mitigation strategies may include the deployment or installation of air and surface cleaning technologies, such as mechanical filtration. As mentioned previously, mechanical filtration is a non-additive strategy by improving filters to MERV 13 or better, and or deploying portable HEPA filter units to trap particles and airborne pathogens to more effectively treat potentially higher exposure zones. The installation of ultraviolet germicidal irradiation lamps, or UV. UV uses short wavelength ultraviolet light to innervate static microorganisms so they cannot reproduce. Synexis dry hydrogen peroxide, or DHP. DHP is an additive technology that reduces microbial threats by oxidizing cell membranes and disrupting chemical structures so they cannot reproduce. It is produced from the humidity and oxygen already in the air and well within acceptable safety thresholds for continuous use in occupied spaces. Genesis Air Catalytic Air Cleaning System, featuring non-additive photocatalytic oxidation, PCO. This system uses three technologies working together: MERV 13 filtration to capture larger particles, PCO to eliminate bioaerosols, and UV light to energize the PCO catalyst and coincidentally destroy static microorganisms. Bipolar ionization. This additive technology creates charged ions. Oppositely charged particles stick together to form larger particles that are easier to capture in mechanical filtration. And finally, Integrated Viral Protection System, or IVP. Our newest offering uses tried and true HEPA filter technology with intermittently pulsed heat to trap killed pathogens. It is available in both portable and retrofit applications. So, that's a brief summary of some of the mitigation strategies and technologies that Hunton IAQ can deploy. The key to sustained success is continuous monitoring and management of your air quality through your building control system. Hunton offers IAQ-focused real-time dashboards to help elevate the community's confidence in your building and show that you've spent tax dollars wisely. An ongoing service relationship with Hunton connects you to professionals who understand the complexities of indoor air and can keep your building running at peak performance. Well, hopefully this short video has helped summarize some of the strategies and technologies Hunton can provide to help you develop your ESSER plan. If you have any questions, concerns, or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Please contact us at info@huntongroup.com. And if you'd like more information about our partners, please see the links in the description below. Thanks again for tuning in, and please don't hesitate to share this video. We are looking forward to helping you. All the best.